Oh, there it is. I feel it. All right, guys. This here is from Real Beauty. It's 10 inches. It's a wig. And it's like this. It's from AliExpress. It's really, really pretty. Look at the curls in it already, guys. All right. Without further ado, without no long talking, let's try it on. And it's like this, and it has a comb there and a comb in the back and adjustable straps, because you know, like how we have huge head. I'm not gonna glue it down, guys. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue at the front because I'm gonna go to bed soon. And it fits so snug on my head, I really don't need to glue it down. But if you want, you can glue it down. Oh, it fits me ear to ear. Ooh. And it has a little thing at the ear that you can flip out and you can bend it, and that's really cool. So this is the hair right from the pack. Let's cut off this front. I can't see, guys, so let me come closer. Ooh, where? Lashes in my way. I should have cut it off before I come here, guys. Okay, you know me. Although my eye them big, me can't see really good. There, that's better. All right. I don't like this part. Let me cut off some more. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation because I hate wig cap, the thin one. I can't be bothered with those, guys. And I'm gonna add some foundation. You can go ahead and bleach, but I don't in that process, guys. So a little foundation will do. Yeah, that's better. And there it is, guys. You don't really have to do much to it. Let's put a little bit of mousse. Guys, I don't like baby hair, but I'm gonna make just a little, just semi, not much. Something like that. I don't really like much baby hair. Now, when I put the hair like this, I want to bring some forward. And I want to mess it up a little bit. All right, guys, this is it. I really love it. You can take it off. You don't have to worry about putting no baby hair. This is just a quick go-to. It's super light, but I love it. I really love it. This can be my work wig, my everyday wig. Curly hair fits me so well. All right, guys, this is it. I really love it. I recommend this 125%. This is lightweight, super light. It's good for work, for dinner, for everyday wear. I love it. And it makes me look pretty and different. I love it. Curly hair fit me so well. I love it. Bring up my big face. All right, guys, this is the final result. Love upon me, and I love upon you. And when I'm going to my bed, I'm just throw this off into my bed. Yeah, I love wig like that. I hate the glue and has to stay on my head and it's itchy. Oh, I hate it.